So right now we are headed to Sarah Gaines' event in Dorchester. Yo, if anybody knows how to freaking stop YouTube from auto playing in my car radio, let me know, because every time I turn this car on, like, that U2 album just constantly just come on, and I am sick of it. Anyways, let me get the address. We're going to Sarah Gaines's event in Dorchester. Let me make sure I got the proper address. It's like KLEOS event for fitness, wellness, and creative professionals. Sarah's the homie. Also, Garrett is the homie as well, and she's going to be on the panel discussing. So I want to be there, participate, meet, greet, and see what the whole event is all about. All right, let's get after it.
I almost lost my life that night. I was on the bloodhound. They trying to tell us put the bikes up and the guns down. S was trying to buy a bike, then he got gunned down. S was trying to change his life, but he got gunned down.
All right, we made it to the event, found some parking, which was pretty clutch. But last night I got me a fucking parking ticket, man. Like, Boston parking is the worst, so you got to be careful. I'm gonna read this sign and also record the sign so that, you know, I ain't trying to get me another ticket. This was like a $60 ticket. So anyway, let's go check out what's inside. Sarah Gaines.
What's
Gaines,
up?
if you're nasty. How you doing?
I'm doing great. I'm ready to go. I'm excited.
Yo, this is pretty dope.
Thanks.
You strike again.
I try.
So most of you probably recognize her from one of the podcasts we did.
Yes.
And now she's putting together this amazing event. Can you give like a quick little pitch of what we got going on today?
Yeah, so this is an event hosted by KLEOS, which is a Greek's only luxury spirit brand. So the event is basically just a way for fitness professionals and wellness professionals to come de-stress. We got meditation with a live harpist. We have a panel on keeping your energy up while your job is to give energy to other people. And it's just really just an afternoon to kind of chill, have fun, relax, meet some other people, and that's what it's about.
We got Garrett and Wood.
Garrett and Wood, love that.
What's the N for?
Nicole.
Nicole.
Which most people think I'm Nicole because they can't imagine a girl would be named Garrett. Surprise.
All right, surprise. All right, so this is her first appearance on the Caesar Life show, and part of the mastermind too. I haven't revealed every member of the mastermind yet.
She's slowly unraveling.
Slowly unraveling, but this is one of the founding members right here of the Project X and Fit Pro Development League. Awesome. So if you haven't checked her podcast yet, do so.
Dare to Move podcast.
Dare to Move podcast.
Oh,
also, what's the other one? Crossroads?
Crossroads of Fitness is going to have a new website called Garrett Nicole Wood, which Caesar so generously helped me make an incredible montage. So you guys have to see GarrettNicoleWood.com, dropping April 14th, because the video he made.
Yup, your boy dropped that. Yup, shameless plug. So if you're trying to get some more, yep. Anyway, she's going to be on today's panel.
Yeah.
What are you going to be talking about today?
We're talking about how to conserve our energy when we're constantly giving to people, and not because we don't like giving that energy. It's just constantly a work in progress and a balance. So
sweet, like very motivational.
Thanks,
awesome,
Caesar.
inspiring.
Feeling is mutual.
Next level right over here. Next level shit. And her too. So I'm gonna try to be near these like movers and shakers over
Law
here.
of attraction.
I know, it's working constantly.
Maddie.
little treats here.
It's cool. I like it in here.
Yeah, me too. And do you mainly do photography and video work? But then you teach. Hey, you guys do boxing too.
So, personal trainer for a career, videography for a hobby.
That's awesome.
Yeah. So I do little videos for fitness influencers around town.
I bet you're in demand.
I'm starting to be through word of mouth and stuff, so it's been pretty fun so far. Waiting for those big brands to come.
Oh yeah.
It's really good.
But KLEOS is a Greek liqueur made from a superfood called mastika. I have little cups of mastika up on the bar if you guys are curious to see what it is. It's a sap from a tree that's indigenous to the Greek island of Chios, and like I said, it's a superfood. It kills H. pylori, which is the bacteria that causes peptic ulcers, gastric cancer, and acid reflux. Healing properties are retained in liquor form, so you actually get the residual health benefits for the stomach and digestive system. I would never recommend drinking alcohol for your health, by no means, but I am a fitness junkie myself, which is kind of why I wanted to put this event together today. I was certified as a trainer when I was younger. I taught spin for like 6 years, so it's a really big part of my life. I work out 6 days a week. My trainer's right to my left. He knows what a fitness junkie I am. I'm obsessed. And I actually did a bodybuilding show to help me get laser disciplined and focused to get KLEOS off the ground and raise money. So I really am a proponent of health and wellness, just in terms of being the best possible person that you are. And the panel that we're going to talk about today, actually kind of the idea stemmed from when I worked in the biz myself and I was a trainer, and I straight up got really burnt out. I felt like I wanted it more for my clients than they wanted it for themselves, and I started to hate the gym. Like I didn't want to go into the gym anymore. So it's one of those things where I always kind of like look at people that are in the industry, like Andy, who deals with my moody ass coming into the gym, and I'm kind of like, how do you deal with, you're always giving of your positive energy to other people, and how are you not left drained at the end of the day? So I'm gonna pass it back on to Sarah now. Enjoy today. Please drink some KLEOS in moderation, but it is low cal, low sugar, so don't worry.
ADM, and that's something that I took over about 3 years ago, but I've been a member of the group for about 6 or 7 years. And then before this whole wellness thing, I actually used to hate wellness, and I used to be like 80 pounds heavier and just a junk food junkie and not doing any of this, like taking care of myself. And I started running for the first like telephone pole to telephone pole, and I was just getting in 6 years of grad school and in architecture, and I was just like,
I did not feel valued, and long story short, I got fired. I got fired from a company who hired me for ulterior motives, and I was left here with a lease. I had just resigned, had no idea how I was going to pay it. I had just gone through a breakup, but I had my business, and I decided to stay here, stay with the lease, write a book about what happened, kind of to get back at these people. Also because I love to write, and I've just continued to chase passion and be able to now help up-and-coming fitness concepts find their homes with commercial real estate. So I am still actively in commercial real estate. If you guys live around here, I work with Cafe Nero. I'm in charge of their US expansion with my boss, both of us tag teaming it. We'll have 30 locations open this year, hopefully. And then I also teach at Barry's Bootcamp. So if you guys go there, you've probably taken my class. And so it's very hard to define what I do. I have like 5 jobs, but I just advocate the portfolio lifestyle, which means you can make money doing what you love and chase passion, because you'll find money doing it.
Please give one more round of applause for your panelists here today. Thank you guys so much for sharing your words. And with that, as we start to move into the meditation, I'm going to ask you guys to find a comfortable position. So we got couches over there. We got couches everywhere. Just find some space.
Awesome event so far. Awesome panelists dropping knowledge bombs. on what was the
theme was
the theme?
how to conserve your energy and also give yourself energetically to the universe without burning out, how to balance all of that.
Awesome. And the panelist was amazing. I would suggest that you follow Sarah Gaines' social media so you can see more of
Sarah J. Gaines.
Yeah, Sarah J. Gaines. Brilliant. Executioner, awesome event, awesome vibes, awesome people, and yeah, look out for Fit Pro Development League.
Yeah, we're talking about how we can take this energy and do it again, replicate it really.
Yeah, and continue to share, because the more we share, the more you guys can grow, and the more we can advance our community as well, right?
Absolutely.
So it's a journey of contribution. Anything that you can contribute, whether it's a question, whether it's some advice, whether it's your personal story or your journey, whatever it is.
You might spark something in someone else's brain. You might meet someone living the same story.
Exactly. So let us know how we can be of service to you and vice versa, all right? Signing off, we're going to enjoy the rest of the event and enjoy the festivities, get to know more people, and yeah, we're out. Peace.